I'm reviewing every kill to find the greatest kill of all time.
Leatherface capitalises on the fear of his victim, jumping out on her and beginning one of the shortest chases we'll see. Leatherface proves that he's got some pace when he's not encumbered by his chainsaw, catching up to his victim in just a few strides and dragging her back to his lair. He should have just secured the kill here, but Leatherface is a sick fuck. He hangs her up on a meat hook, forcing her to watch the butchering of her deceased boyfriend, before sticking her, while she's still alive, in the freezer. Never leave your victim alive. If you do, they're probably gonna escape. And this victim nearly did. I'm gonna give this kill a 0.8 out of 10, making it the 22nd greatest kill of all time, with Leatherface's chainsaw beheading staying at number 1.